Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove Bing search engine from Google Chrome browser. Chrome uses Google as default search engine. In case you notice that Bing is now your default search engine, you can make Google again your default search engine and permanently remove Bing from your Chrome browser. For this, first open Chrome browser on your PC. After that, click on this one triple dots menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Chrome settings, select this one search engine in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one change button beside any search engine. After that, select here Google and then click on this one set as default. After that, click on this one entry manage search engine and site search. After that, scroll down and you will find this one Microsoft Bing entry. Click on this one triple dots menu and here select delete option and confirm the deletion by clicking this one delete button. From now onwards, Bing will be not your default search engine and Google will be your default search engine on your Chrome browser.